Now that Ali has brainstormed for points and created an outline, it's time to focus on developing the body of his presentation. This is where the main ideas come to life and where Ali needs to make sure his message is clear and compelling. To organize your speech effectively, you should include the main ideas, supporting points, and supporting details in the body of your presentation. All the ideas need to be presented clearly to ensure that the thoughts you want to convey can be delivered successfully. Let's explore establishing main ideas, supporting points, and supporting details. The first step in developing the body is to establish the main ideas you want to cover. These are the key points you want your audience to remember. For example, the main ideas for Ali's presentation on the numerous advantages of renewable energy are: Main idea 1. Firstly, renewable energy helps reduce carbon emissions and fight climate change. Main idea 2. Secondly, renewable energy creates jobs in industries. Main idea 3. Finally, renewable energy provides sustainable solution for energy needs. Take note that you should only focus on one main idea at a time. Once Ali has his main ideas set, he needs to support each main idea with supporting points. For example, the first main idea on how renewable energy helps reduce carbon emissions and fight climate change, Ali might mention how renewable energy helps reduce carbon emissions by providing a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels like coal and oil, which release harmful gases when burned. Sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power generate electricity without producing carbon dioxide, the main driver of climate change. Your supporting point should support the main idea with sufficient elaboration. Then, Ali should add supporting details to back up those points. Supporting details could include statistics, quotes from experts, or real-world examples. For example, a study conducted by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL) found that increasing the use of renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, could significantly reduce carbon emissions. According to the study, if the United States transitioned to 80% renewable energy by 2050, it could cut greenhouse gas emissions by approximately 80%, helping to slow down the impact of climate change. Your supporting details must be taken from credible sources. Clearly, having strong main ideas, supporting points, and supporting details will make your presentation solid and well organized. To help his audience follow along, Ali should use signposting expressions. These are phrases that guide the audience through the structure of the presentation. Think of them like road signs. They help people know where they're going. For example, when moving from one main idea to the next, Ali can say, "Let's begin by looking at. Now that we have covered the types of renewable energy, let's move on to the benefits. Next, let's discuss the challenges of renewable energy." The signposting expressions here are: let's begin by, now, let's move on to, next. Signposting expressions can also emphasize key points. Ali can use phrases like, "The most important benefit is," "What's crucial to understand is." Signposting is also helpful when Ali needs to demonstrate a cause-effect relationship. Here are some examples. To show cause. As a result of increasing renewable energy usage, or due to the shift to solar power, as a result of, due to. These are examples of signposting expressions to show cause. To show effect. This leads to, or consequently, this reduces greenhouse gas emissions. This leads to, consequently, are examples of signpost expressions to show effects. With all these signpost expressions, Ali helps his audience follow his argument and understand the structure of his presentation. Using conciseness in presentation. Ali should now focus on conciseness. In a presentation, it is essential to get to the point quickly and clearly. This means eliminating redundancy, ambiguity, and unnecessary phrases. First, eliminating redundancy. Ali should avoid saying the same thing more than once. For example, instead of saying solar power is renewable and sustainable because it's powered by the sun, and the sun is a renewable resource, he can simply say solar power is renewable because it's powered by the sun. Second, eliminating ambiguity. Ali needs to be clear and precise. If he says renewable energy is good for the environment, that's too vague. Instead, he can say renewable energy reduces greenhouse gas emissions, helping combat climate change. Third, eliminating unnecessary phrases. Finally, Ali should avoid filler phrases like "in my opinion" or "what I think is," because they don't add value. For example, instead of saying "as far as I'm concerned, renewable energy is absolutely crucial for the future of our planet," Ali can simply say renewable energy is crucial for our future. By focusing on conciseness, Ali makes his message clearer and more impactful, ensuring his audience stays engaged and grasps the key points. So, to sum up, when developing the body of your presentation, start by establishing your main ideas and supporting points. Use signposting expressions to guide your audience, and focus on being concise by eliminating redundancy, ambiguity, and unnecessary phrases. This approach will keep your presentation organized, clear, and powerful. That's all for now. Thanks for listening.